Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen Golf GTD. This is the 2 litre diesel and it's finished in the stunning deep black pearlescent paint. Looks absolutely fantastic in this colour. It looks really sporty and really mean. You've got your diamond cut alloy wheels and your lovely GTD badge, and you've also got tinted windows as well. They are about 90% rear tint, so it is an optional upgrade on this car. Round to the back you can see you've got the rear parking sensors. You have also got front parking sensors on the front bumper as well. And inside the boot you can see there is a really good sized boot in there, so you shouldn't be struggling for any room when you buy this lovely car. So I'll open up the rear and I'll show you the space that you have in there. So as you can see, plenty of room. You have got the lovely Titan Black Vienna leather, so it's really luxurious, and it is the perforated leather as well, so it looks really sporty. So I'll get inside the car and I'll start it up and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So inside you've got your Discover navigation system here built in, so you've got all your sat nav. Now you can either display it on the traditional display in the middle, or you can, if you click map, you can flip it. With having a digital dash, you can also display it on there, so it looks really cool and it helps to keep your eyes a little bit more focused on the road. You've also got your app connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink depending on what device you have, and you've got your DAB radio as well. You've also got your driver mode selection, so you can choose between the different modes depending on how you want the car to feel. And if I pop it into reverse, you can see you've got your audible and visual front and rear parking sensors. Now the car is a manual, and you've got your electronic parking brake with auto hold. You've got the lovely glossy inserts on the dash and the door, really give it that sporty edge. And a really fantastic feature is the electric panoramic sunroof. It lets loads of light into the car and it's perfect on a lovely summer's day. If you press the toggle backwards, you can open the sunroof. Really quick and easy. As you can see, it's only taken a couple of seconds. And it looks absolutely stunning. I'll just give you a close-up of the leather as well. So as you can see, it is perforated. Really luxurious, and it's really practical as well for any spills if you've got kids in the car. Underneath you can see you've got your True Zone climate control. You have got front heated seats as well, which are essential at this time of year. You've got your multi-function steering wheel. You have got adaptive cruise control, so it's perfect for those long motorway drives. You've got automatic headlights, and you've got heated and folding door mirrors as well to give you that extra security on narrow streets. So I really hope you like the car. If you're interested or have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.